Hi, welcome to Thiqa, Refrigeration.
Today I will show you how to identify compressor terminals in a refrigerator.
Let's get started right away.
First, safety. Always unplug the refrigerator before touching anything. This is the compressor, and it has 3 terminals. They are called common, start, and run. We can identify them using a multimeter. Set your multimeter to resistance, ohms. Measure between each pair of pins. We will measure all the terminals one by one and write down the readings. You will get 3 readings. 1 lowest, 1 medium, 1 highest. Interpretation. Lowest reading equals C to R. Medium reading equals C to S. Highest reading equals R to S. They are called common and run, start, please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel.
Thanks for watching.